Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to Marshall Hotel. How may I assist you today?
Good afternoon. I want to have a reservation. Do you have an available room for tonight?
Let me check, please. Yes, we still have a standard room and a deluxe room available.
Alright, I take that the deluxe room.
Perfect. May I have your valid ID for registration, please?
Sure. Here they are.
Thank you, ma'am. Please fill out this registration form. The elevator is just beside the lobby.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. If you need anything, please dial 0 for the front desk.